Hello, City of Albuquerque employees. This is Jesse Muñiz, Chief Procurement Officer with the City of Albuquerque Purchasing Division. Today, I want to welcome you to our No ePro video series, and what we'll be walking through today is how to order business cards through the city's newest punch-out catalog using the vendor PrintExpress. So again, hopefully with these videos you can follow along, pause it if you need it, and walk you through visually the process of how to order business cards. So to get started, we're going to go to the e-procurement menu. So I'm going to go to main menu, I'm going to go to e-procurement, and I'm going to type requisition. Here is where I'm going to put in the requester. It could be yourself, it could be your buyer, but go ahead and enter your requester and we'll get to the next page. Takes me to the create requisition page once you enter the requester, and where we're going to be looking for is right here in the middle, which our punch-out catalogs are, and we're looking for this one right here, PrintExpress punch-out catalog. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to take me to the page where it says CABQ business cards. Go ahead and click on the icon there. And here it takes you to the ordering page. There's some directions here on the left hand side telling you to select your department from the right, select your quantity and your project name here on the left. So what am I going to do for this particular example? I'm going to go ahead and select my department, in this case finance. I'm going to go ahead and put how many cards I'm going to order, 250 in this case. I'm going to give this a name. You can give this any name that you want, just for something that's easily for you to remember that you need to go back to. If you need to have any special instructions on anything related to the cards, you can put that here. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my card set up. I'm going to go ahead and enter my first and last name. I'm going to enter my title. I'm going to enter where I am located, the address to where I'm located. Enter my phone number. If you want to put your cell phone, you can. If not, you can leave that blank. Your email address, all you need to add is the first part of your email address. It will automatically include the @cabq.gov for you. You're going to want to enter your approved word that goes on the back of your card. So based on your department, based on your direction, based on your program, select the word that best suits what you're doing. In this case, I'm just going to select innovative on this case. And as you notice, as I'm typing in the information here, the card is changing as I do it. So I can look at the front of the card and the back of the card here. It's going to take me to the front of the card as I do it. On the back of the card, if I hit page 2, I will select that and it will take me to the back. When I'm ready, I can look at the view PDF proof of this card, and here I can see what the card will look like. Here's the city logo, name, title, department, address, phone number, and your email address. When you're satisfied with that, you can simply click out of the X there, and if you like how it looks, you're going to add to cart. It will take you to this page to confirm your order. So you're going to do this a couple of places. So first you're going to look at this and you're going to see there's one order here for $22. I'm going to hit checkout. Then when you're ready to go, you are ready to order, simply click place order. You will then be back on the checkout page, which you should be familiar with in PeopleSoft, your requisition line page. Couple areas that you need to take care of here. You want to give your requisition a name. You can name it whatever you desire. You're going to want to change your requisition type to punch-out catalog because that's exactly what this is. And then you're going to want to go to your detailed lines and you're going to want to select your buyer. Remember, your buyer, you have a department buyer assigned, so you're going to want to select that person who is your department buyer. Our department buyer for DFAS, and as you can see, it's automatically going to populate the category code of your order. It's going to automatically attach the contract and the version of the contract and the category itself. So you do not need to do anything here. Also, one more thing to look at and notice is this number right here. In this example, it's 913510. This number is a number that was attached to the order from PrintExpress. So they will use this purchase order and this number to cross-reference the order in their system versus the order in our system. So please do not change that number, but it does automatically populate, and that is for reference purposes for the vendor system and our system as well. Once you do that, you just simply click OK. Now you just need to enter your funding string for this order, just like anything. Here I have entered my funding string, and once I'm ready to go, I'm simply going to hit save and submit, and the order will go through workflow, and once it's fully approved, purchase order will be sourced to PrintExpress and they will fulfill the order. So that is instructions on how to order business cards. This process should be more efficient than the previous process, as you are going through ePro and you are using the punch out catalog, which allows you to review your card all in one spot, approve the proof, and then get the purchase order set and ready to go. I hope you found this video very useful to you. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to the purchasing department. Our main number is 768-3320, and hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.